Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use the bulk editor on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it into your store. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Then, click on the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Bulk Editor and select the app called Hexstem Bulk Product Edit. Now, click on Install to add the app to your store and then confirm by clicking Install again. This app allows you to automate and schedule product edits in bulk, saving you time. Once install it, scroll down and click on View in Bulk Edit section. Then click on Get Scheduled Task to explore pricing plans and features. Choose a plan that suits your needs. Now, from the left menu, click on Bulk Edit. In step 1, choose what products you want to edit. You can select products by collecting title, product ID, description, category, or any custom field. Then, choose the other filtering options that apply to your edits. In step 2, you'll be able to preview the matching products based on your filters. In step 3, choose how you want to edit the matching products or variants. You can select from default editing options or create a custom URL handle template like product_title, product_vendor. Make sure to check the box that says create a direct from old URL handle to new URL handle when completed if you're changing URLs. Finally, click on Start Bulk Edit now to apply the changes. You can also click on Preview Matching Products once again to review everything before confirming. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.